Bye-bye, Zozo. Bye-bye.
Sana hindi traffic. Okay, sorry. What's up? Tanga na yung kung gayahin si J-Mac eh. Otherwise, hmm. 15. Yikes. Lamig. Iwas traffic tayo. Iwas kung anong siksikan. Unnecessary siksikan. Back to the program. Good day, guys. RC12 here. I'm currently on my way to Pasig to meet up with the painter, the one that did this motorcycle. I'm riding my almost 3-year-old 200 NS. So I've had this bike, yun nga, this would be the 3rd year, and I'm honestly satisfied with the long-term experience that I've had with it. It's been a great bike. There has been a lot of issues, of course, that's a given. Just like on any other bike, like say sabihin natin kahit big brands pa yan, the big four, Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, and well, of course, Kawasaki. Perfect timing, thank you. Hello there, kiddo. Ayan, so I'm going there today to get the paint fixed. Kasi I've had this one repainted last December and medyo may issues. Like hindi nasunod yung kulay ng mags. Originally it was supposed to be gold instead of the midnight blue that you can see here on my tank. This one. It wasn't supposed to be blue as well. But yeah. Thankfully, basta yun. Teka. Ba't traffic nga yan? I know it's Quirino pero it shouldn't be like this. Anong oras ba? It's 4:33. Still too early. So ayun, dadaling ko sa kanya ngayon to get it fixed. To get it corrected kasi medyo may konting issues lang dun sa pintura and good enough. He's accommodating naman to get everything fixed and sorted out. Although it's been over a month, almost 2 months, but still, even with that duration, he's still willing to help out and fix the problem. Nasaan ba tayo? So wala naman masyadong gagawin yun, just that I'm gonna drop the bike there and help him out disassemble the parts that needs painted properly this time. Uh, my breath, or I'm fogging up my lens. That's why I normally open it up a little bit, just like this. Kaya lang, yung audio nga, it gets messed up. Kaya pinipilit ko pa rin i-close. Try ko kayang butasan ng konti itong helmet. It's closing down. Okay. So going back to the bike, I own, or I'm driving the 200 NS. Sabi nila this would be the generation 2, and as you all may already know, there's been some issues with the bike itself. Hindi ko na mag-Manila. Diretsuhin ko na lang ba itong Quirino? And hope for the best. So medyo traffic na. Hindi ko ina-expecto kasi dapat ang way ko dapat, or mga choices ko to get to Pasig was either Buendia, which is most likely just like this as well. Another would be of course EDSA, kasi galing naman ako ng Pasay. I can take C5 din, kaya lang I doubt C5 is gonna be as accessible right now. With my experience with C5 or on C5 for the past 2 years, I can guarantee myself na it's not gonna be as welcoming as at least here. Kasi dito, medyo madaling sumingit eh. Lulusot lang ako ng Mandaluyong. Either Mandaluyong or Ortigas ako. Yikes. Big trucks. Literal big. Trailers, as a matter of fact. Medyo kakaiba yung taillight ng Click ah. Eye-catching. Simple lang pero eye-catching. Alam mo yung mga tipong taillight ng pang big bike. Scary! Medyo mahirap mag-vlog pag ganito yung traffic. Tangin na. Ibang level. Alright, sorry, going back dun sa sinasabi ko kanina. As I was saying, I've had the bike for 2.5 years, and of course nagkaroon na rin ng issues. Hindi mo mawala yun, kahit anong motor magkakaroon ng issues yan. Luluwang yung valves, magkakaproblema yung carburetor, yung carburador, nagkakabasag-basagan yung bearings. In this case, and thankfully, on its 9th month, I've had the CNG issue. Kasi to be honest, ako rin mismo, I drive my motorcycle really hard. As in, I drive it hot. And I don't take it easy sa gamit ko. If I know that it's if I know that it's made to endure, then I'll test the limits talaga. And it definitely has lived to my expectations. It's a well-built bike. It's a reliable one. Siguro you just have to learn the basics talaga on how to maintain the bike or on how to maintain any bike para magtagal sa'yo tong NS. Dun sa iba na sinasabi na sirain, no, that's not true. Minsan oo. Pero malas lang talaga yun. Nasaswertehan lang na pangit yung unit na napunta sa kanila or literal na bad batch lang talaga. Pero there's no such bike as a bad one, except kung talagang may manufacturing flaw. In this case, honestly, sa 3 years na hawak ko tong motor na to, I can't say anything else. Medyo ma-vibrate siya, pero given yun, since it's a single cylinder bike, and any other single cylinder bike talagang magiging ma-vibrate. Parang human vibrator. Ayun, literal. Parang yung mga old phones, analog phones na 3200, 5100 rin? Basta yun, 5110, sorry, I'm getting old, sorry. Ma-vibrate talaga siya given yun.